In this video, we are going to see the list view options in acsysERP Sales module. These are the available list views under the Sales menu. Let's open the quotation list view, select the date, and click on Refresh button. This lists out all the quotations for the chosen period. You see details like date, number, and customer name. Quotation status, and the signature details like created by, last updated by, and date, etc. In the footer section, it displays the total of amount fields. We can also set the total for any numeric fields, by right-clicking against the required column, and click on the sum. In this form, you see the company name selection at the top. If multiple companies are configured and rights are given, user can select between the companies. Let's select another company and click on Refresh button. This brings the quotation details for the selected company. Let me go back to the default company, acSys Trading LLC, and click Refresh again. You can access the quotation details by right-clicking on the row. Then select the View, or Edit option. This opens the quotation form. Multiple report template can be printed. Let's close this form. About the transaction history, it gives the conversion history of the invoice from quotation, sales order and delivery order. Apart from that, this menu also gives rich filtering and viewing options. This is the global search, it searches all the columns for the given text. This is the column-wise filter. Here multiple customer can be selected. Similarly, the amount column can be filtered with these criteria. Also, you can filter top 10 rows and so on. Sorting is available for all the columns. As you can see, net amount, conditional formatting similar to Excel can be set. You can remove the columns by dragging it outside. And, to add back the columns, right-click, and select Column Chooser. This will show all the available columns for this view. Let's include the transaction currency and salesman to this view. Also, you can group the records by column. For example, we will do the grouping by quotation status. You can set the total of any required columns within the group footer. Export this list to an Excel, or open the print preview to either print, or export it into any available formats like PDF, document and etc. Now we have grouped the view as per our requirements. Save this view as a layout for future reference. Let me name this view as My View. Similarly, we can save the filter criteria as well. These are the predefined layouts available in the system. That's it on the quotation list view. Similar functionalities are available in all list views, which the business can use for tracking uninvoiced deliveries, sales by salesman, aged invoices, pending payments, customer statements, etc. You have seen the functionalities of list view in acSysERP Sales module. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.